Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see this video belongs in Note application if you update iOS 18.2. So Note application are providing 3 powerful upgradation. Which one of them and how to use we will see one by one. So let's check it out. So let's start demonstration. Simply first of all enter the setting, then general, and then software update. So here I already updated iOS 18.2 developer beta version. You should update this one. Go back into the Note application. So here two types of paragraph, but we will see one by one. As an example, here European architecture, you just simply end here an empty space, press here the pencil menu. After that this pencil you use and scroll here round like this, and let's see which types of image we are receiving here, and boom, look at this European architecture, stylish, cultural, and some different images also coming here. That is the beauty of this feature. You can say done. So this image comes here and you can say done, and that's it. You can use this image near to your paragraph. It's amazing. If you copy this paragraph and we can paste here, and this is empty space, we should try here again. Of course we are receiving here, look at this. So here Indian architecture, Mughal places and skyscrapers. So look at this here, 3 different types of architecture or just Taj Mahal related architecture we are receiving here. That is the beauty of this features. Even one of the paragraph related paragraph image is coming, again paragraph related is image is coming. That is the beauty of this new features. Next one, I just simply select this one. The writing tool is available. Inside the writing tool nowadays the ChatGPT is also available here. You simply compose here and boom, compose with ChatGPT. So you can type here any of the message like and simply raise the question, and boom, look at this, ChatGPT are elaborating your paragraph look like this. This one is amazing. It's really nice features they are introducing. So feature number 3, I just type here Gargalo with big cookie in hand and just simply select entire text. You just simply click the arrow and here create image options is coming. You just simply create, and let's see which types of image we are receiving here, and boom, it's amazing. Which image you want select, accordingly you decide. I like this, done. So you just simply provide something and even you can save this, remove the background, duplicate, copy, some other options also they are providing. You just simply use this image any of the places. That is the beauty of this feature. So you just simply provide some word and accordingly the image is generating from here. Those 3 features amazing comes from Note application. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.